In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows button not working in Windows 10 or 11. So firstly click on Restart. Now type REGEDIT. Open Registry Editor. Now here guys you have to expand firstly HK local machine, then system, then current control set, then expand services. Now scroll down and find out here guys WPN service, this one. So double click on WPN service. Now here's you will see this option. Click on start. So double click on start. Now make valid data 4. Then click on OK. Now close it and restart. So this is the one of method to resolve and to fix the Windows key not working. So comment this method work for you or not. Close it and restart and try this method work for you or not. Thanks for watching and please share, like and subscribe to the channel for more useful videos.